Alright, so Jenna's gonna attempt to climb this 6-foot drift on our
do it now?
Go ahead, use a hook as a way to get up there.
Be careful, because a lot of the snow that I shoveled up is fluffy now. So
she'll be fine. She looks like a little blue bear on that. Nick, what's now?
An avalanche.
Yes!
He's got a snowblower on.
Oh my god!
Jenna, go around the other side.
No, I got it!
Alright, no you don't. Go around the other side. Alright, maybe going through the other side wasn't a good idea.
Yeah!
Alright, I'll restart recording again once you get to the top.
Yeah!
She made it!
Yes!
You can see the whole street from up there.
Yes!
Let me take a picture, hold on.
Yes!
Alright, Jenna's gonna attempt to sled off of this thing now. You're probably gonna get a face full of snow. Was it fun? Thumbs up means you're okay.
Do it again!
Desi's going in the snow. What are you doing? I didn't mean up there! Set him down! He's like, what is going on?
Think of it, the angel.
No, Jenna, he can't do it up there. He can slide. Hold it. Get down. There you go. Look at you in the snow, baby. Now, Jenna, he can fall forward. What are you doing, Des? He's like, just leave me here.